trading cars, trading titles, straight up, no money. Stick around. This one's going to be fun. Question: have you ever traded cars with somebody? I was the king of trading baseball cards back in 1st and 2nd grade. 6th grade, I traded bubble gum for candy. Yeah, I came out pretty good there. But today, we're trading car for car. A nice young man sent me about 12 pictures of his car. I sent him about 30 of mine in a little short video. He said, I'm ready if you're ready. I flipped a coin. Heads I win, tails I hope I still win. Or I hope we both win. I hope we both come out of this good. I'm excited to meet him, excited to see the car. Who knows? Who knows what this is worth? Who knows what his is worth? We're taking a chance. We're gonna see if we make this work. Trading cars, trading titles, straight up, no money. All right, here we go. I just did a quick walk around. He did a quick walk around, and that's pretty much it. I mean, we just swapped. So we'll see how we come out. Hey, neither one of us are losing anything, and who knows if anybody will gain anything. So trading that for that. That is a 1952 MG TD Roadster. It is an original car that's been restored. It's not a kit car. So we're up one there. This car is a lot cleaner and a lot more detailed. But hey, we'll see. We'll see if he wants to get on camera too. If he does, then we'll see what he's got to say. What a great couple. They just got through driving about 4 hours to get here. He made the deal, made the drive. I appreciate him doing that because it was a bad day for me to have to stop and start anything else. Both cars ran great. Neither one of us drove them more than 10 feet. It was a done deal before he even left his house. So it is what it is. We're going to get this thing loaded up. We're going to get these guys back on their way home. Hey guys, I want to introduce you to my new friend Harold and his lovely wife Debbie. We met on Facebook Marketplace. I had a car for sale. Harold had a car for sale. 9:30 at night, we send each other 5 pictures of our cars. The next morning we get up and we talk, and what do?
We traded.
We just traded. Heads up, guys. Now,
that's the way to do it. Don't think about it, just do it.
I mean, you know, win, lose, or draw. Hey, we're in this for the fun. Nothing to lose. Let's just do it. So, hey guys, it's fun.
And I've met a great friend here.
Yeah, we're gonna trade again one day. We may trade back next week. Who knows?
That's right.
But so tell me, I mean, what were you thinking? Just out of the blue, hey, let's just do this. You've probably done it a dozen times.
I saw the car and I wanted something that I could get in and drive and have fun. Debbie can drive it. I've got other cars that that we do, but this car is just something I think we can enjoy driving. The MGTD is a super car, but you know, you got to plan to drive it. I want somebody to get in and go drive.
That's right. Hey guys, you know me and Roadsters. Hey, it's a no-brainer. I mean, if you don't have windows, I'm in, right? Well, okay, the smoke is cleared. Our guests are gone. We made a swap, can you believe it? And this is what I got. You guys know the yellow car up close. You've seen me do stuff on it on the channel. This is a 1952 restored MG TD. And it's an original car, it's not a kit car, so this is a real deal. Now, the restoration on it was done many years ago, and it has been used since, but it's in really good shape. Now, he did take the wire wheels off of it at some point and put these wheels on it with those hubcaps I'm probably going to go ahead and clean those hubcaps up, if not replace them with some new ones, because only the back one's really showing pitting, but it just doesn't match the rest of the car. So anyway, we're fixing to get in this thing and drive it. Original steering wheel, and supposedly it's been signed. Telescoping steering wheel, that's really cool. There's a lot of features on this car that I would not mind incorporating into a 32 Ford build. I mean, the little orange Roadster is very European. Let me open the hood. I mean, little cool stuff. It's even got a little blister on it for the generator. Just, you know, really, really neat. It's really clean, well sorted. That's pretty cool. Jack, and then it's got the windshield wipers in there that go right there. Dual carburetors. Hey, let's take this thing for a drive. Yeah, it's a Roadster. Rain or shine, you can't beat a Roadster. Liquid sunshine. Anyway, we got loaded up. They're fixing to hit the road and go get them some dinner, and probably about 3 hours away. So yeah. So don't be scared to do it. It's fun.
That's right. Do it and have fun. Drive your car. Don't let them sit up. Always drive your car.
There you go. All right, guys. If you're through watching, get out in the garage and go build something. See you guys in the next episode.